Good morning. I am Dr. Anand Bhardwaj. I shall let you know how to check the directions because everybody knows about the compass. Everybody must be having compass. Direction compass is very easily available in the market. You can have any sort of compass from the market, but how to use is a technical point. In today's lecture, I will tell you how to check the directions of your house, of your plot, of your office. Suppose you are standing in an office or in a plot. Just stand in the middle of the plot or in the middle of the office, middle of the house, and open your compass. The compass has one needle that shows north and south only. The compass is just like a round box. One needle is there inside, and there are 2 points of this needle. One point, and you shall note that directions are mentioned on this compass. North, south, east, west, as well as the degrees are there. Like the north is written here, also 360 degree, which is equivalent to 0 degree. 0 degree or 360 degree means one and the same thing. It shows the north. Then we come to the other directions. If your compass is pointing towards something in some direction at some point, then you have to move your compass accordingly. Just move your compass right and left and make sure that the upper side of the compass, the needle of the compass, where the red mark is there, you shall find there is one red mark. The red mark on the needle looks like this. What do you have to do? Just move your compass on the dial and fix this red point on the north pole. It means now you are successful. You have got the north point. If the north is found, then it is not difficult at all to find east, west, south, and other directions. If north is there at the upper side, you are standing like this. Just face towards the road, not inside. You have to face towards the road, not inside, and put your compass on your hand and match this red mark on the exact north where the N is written on the compass dial. So, if the north is there, automatically east shall be there, and south is there, and west is there. And the degrees are written like 1, 2, like 10, 20, 30, and so on. So, the best precaution while using the compass is just put it on the right surface. The surface should be equal. There should be no up and down, and match the red point on the N. N is north. N shall be written on the dial of the compass, and match all these things, these 2 things, and you are able to find the directions. This is the easiest way. So I recommend always to use the normal compass. Costly compass may be wrong because there may be any technical fault. But so far as the needle type compass is there, needle type compass is always okay. It is always accurate because the needle itself is a magnet, and this is the quality of the magnet that it is always supposed to be aligned towards north and south. I think I am able to clear how to check the compass. Students, how do you feel? I think this is enough. In the next chapter, I will tell about the other aspect of these directions and how to check the direction inside the house. Till then, thank you very much. Bye. See you again.